Traveling can be a delightful experience, but it often comes with its fair share of frustrations and expenses. As travelers seek to navigate the complexities of air travel, a few clever strategies can enhance the journey while keeping costs down. Here's a narrative exploring 17 ingenious travel hacks that airlines may not appreciate but can significantly benefit savvy travelers. The first hack revolves around the art of booking flights. Many travelers are unaware that airlines frequently adjust their prices based on demand. By using incognito mode when searching for flights, travelers can avoid price hikes that occur from repeated searches. This simple trick can save a considerable amount on ticket prices. Similarly, booking flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays often yields lower fares, as airlines typically release deals early in the week. Next comes the issue of baggage fees. Many airlines charge exorbitant fees for checked luggage, but a clever traveler knows to pack smart. By rolling clothes instead of folding them, one can fit more into their carry-on, potentially avoiding those pesky fees altogether. Additionally, wearing heavier items, like jackets or boots, during travel can help lighten the load in the suitcase. Another ingenious strategy involves utilizing the airline's own loyalty programs. Frequent flyers often accumulate points that can be redeemed for free flights or upgrades. However, many travelers overlook the possibility of signing up for multiple loyalty programs across different airlines. By doing so, they can maximize their points and enjoy the benefits of various travel perks, such as priority boarding or complimentary upgrades. For those who find themselves traveling with families or groups, the hack of booking flights separately can lead to significant savings. Instead of purchasing tickets together, savvy travelers can search for individual fares, which may result in lower overall costs. This method requires a bit more effort, but can yield substantial savings. When it comes to in-flight experiences, many travelers are unaware that bringing their own snacks can enhance their journey. Airlines often charge high prices for food and beverages, but packing a few snacks can keep hunger at bay without breaking the bank. Moreover, travelers can bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up at water fountains after passing through, ensuring they stay hydrated during the flight. Another clever trick involves utilizing layovers to explore new destinations. Instead of viewing layovers as mere waiting periods, savvy travelers can book flights with longer layovers and take advantage of the opportunity to explore a new city. Many airlines even offer free or discounted tours for passengers with extended layovers, turning a mundane waiting period into an adventure. For those who prefer to travel light, the hack of sharing luggage can be a game changer. When traveling with friends or family, combining belongings into a single suitcase can help avoid extra fees. This strategy not only saves money but also simplifies the travel experience, as there is less to manage. In terms of accommodations, travelers can often find better deals by booking hotels directly rather than through third-party sites. Many hotels offer price matching or additional perks, such as free breakfast or Wi-Fi when booking directly. Additionally, using apps that offer last-minute hotel deals can lead to significant savings for those who are flexible with their accommodations. The next hack involves taking advantage of credit card rewards. Many travel credit cards offer points for purchases that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or even cashback. By using these cards for everyday purchases, travelers can accumulate points without altering their spending habits, turning regular expenses into travel opportunities. For those who enjoy exploring new cultures, the hack of using public transportation instead of taxis or rideshares can save a considerable amount of money. Not only is it cheaper, but it also provides a more authentic experience of the destination. Many cities offer day passes for unlimited travel on public transit, making it an economical choice for exploring. Another travel hack involves utilizing travel insurance. While it may seem like an unnecessary expense, having travel insurance can save travelers money in the long run. It protects against unexpected cancellations, lost luggage, and medical emergencies, providing peace of mind and financial security during the trip. For international travelers, the strategy of using local SIM cards instead of international roaming can lead to significant savings. Purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival allows travelers to stay connected without incurring hefty roaming charges. Many airports have kiosks that sell these cards, making it easy to stay connected while exploring. When it comes to airport lounges, many travelers believe they need to be flying first class to gain access. However, there are several ways to enjoy the comforts of a lounge without breaking the bank. Purchasing a day pass, Using a credit card that offers lounge access, or even signing up for a lounge membership can provide a quiet space to relax before a flight, complete with complimentary snacks and beverages. The next hack involves utilizing flight alerts. Websites and apps that track flight prices can notify travelers when fares drop, allowing them to book at the right time. This proactive approach can lead to significant savings, especially for those who have a specific destination in mind. Lastly, GI. The art of packing efficiently cannot be overstated. Using packing cubes can help organize belongings and maximize space in a suitcase. This method not only makes it easier to find items, but also ensures that travelers can fit everything they need without exceeding weight limits. In conclusion, while airlines may not appreciate these ingenious travel hacks, they can significantly enhance the travel experience and save money for travelers. From booking strategies to in-flight tips and accommodation hacks, these clever strategies empower travelers to navigate the complexities of air travel with confidence. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, anyone can transform their journey into a more enjoyable and affordable adventure, all while keeping the airlines on their toes.